Hello there, welcome to Great Data Solution. In today's topic, we will see sales performance using Google Sheets. So this is a very dynamic sales performance to track sales performance. So the first thing is you have to build this table with employees and the sales amount here. So for this particular case, we have used 10 employees and sales value here. Then we set target here. For example, here we have 3,000 sales target, which will be expected from each employee. Then here we'll get this very dynamic chart that shows employee performance. In this particular case, the performance of employees who have actually performance of greater than the target values are actually indicated in this green bars, whereas those which are actually below the target is shown in red colors. So in this particular case, for example, Chaltu, Duretti, and Galgalo are three employees whose performance is below the target of 3,000. So if I change this target, it will actually dynamically changes. Let me make 4,000. Then can you see it? It has been actually updated. Now we have only 4 employees. Abdi, Eba, Hawi, and Kuma are those who have actually more than target values. If I make, for example, 2,000, can you see? It's only one employee, which is Duretti, is below the target. So this is a very dynamic chart that shows the performance of the sales. So this beautiful and dynamic chart is created using these steps. The first one is you have to create a table, like the table here, which shows the employees and their sales performance. Then the next is creating the target. You have to set the target, and then use if for red and green with this formula. So using this, if B4 is less than the target, then not applicable, and if B4 is greater than the target, so you use this formula to create this condition. So then create a chart. You have to go to the chart area and create the chart. Let me show you how you should do it. You have to go to this chart, then go to this chart area and create the chart. In fact, let me actually make it again. So you have to choose the chart from the column and chart. You have to use this stack column and chart, this one. So that is how you can do it. Then customize, just by go to the customization and adjust for green and red, and then labeling the data. Then you add the title, then you add you set the target adjustment as you like, changing the numbers here, and you can see the target by making 2,000, 3,000, and so on. So let me again change here. Now it is at 2000. Let me make 2500. Can you see it? Let me make 4000. Let me make 3000. So it is very dynamic, and you can easily create following the steps I have indicated, and you can create this beautiful sales performance using Google Sheets. So that is it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.